If you encounter blurry or misaligned prints, a way to fix this is running a print adjustment. We have an automatic print adjust and a manual print adjust. The automatic one works for most medias and is fully automatic. We have a separate video on that, so make sure to check that out. But in this case here, we will do a manual media adjust, which you should use for some specific medias, and you can refer to the operational manual to find out which ones this would apply to, and to get even more precise results compared to the automatic media adjust. So let's go into the menu, media settings, print adjustments, and select manual adjustment. And here we have media feed adjustment and print head alignment. So we'll first do the media feed adjustment. Here we have manual standard or manual measurement. We'll select standard. And once you click the start button, the printer is going to print the alignment pattern. Once the alignment pattern has been printed, open the printer cover and inspect the pattern. At the bottom, you can see numbers from -10 till +10. Each number stands for 0.1% in change. Same thing for the alignment pattern at the bottom. The top one is 1A, the bottom is 1B. So looking at the top one, identify the box where you don't see any lines and you have a consistent pattern all across from top to bottom. In my case here, it is +1. On pattern 1B, I have a consistent pattern on -1. Now let's go back to the display. Here we can see alignment pattern A1 and +1. We have to click the plus button twice to show 0.1 and lock that in. And for adjustment 1B, it was -1. We touch the minus button twice to show -0.1 and touch OK. Confirm your settings. And the paper feed adjustment is complete. Now let's go back and do the second step. Print adjustment, manual, and then we're going to do the print head alignment as well. Click Start to print the alignment pattern. Once the alignment pattern has been printed, again, open the printer cover and inspect the patterns. You can see we have here A1, A2, so there's A, B, C, and D, and then we have A, B, C, and D for number 2 as well. Select the line which is perfectly sharp, no double lines, and if needed, use a loop to better inspect the lines. So in my case here, I have the sharpest line at 0 for A1. At B, it's also 0, and so on. Once you have identified all lines, go back to the screen and type in your values. So for me, A1 was 0, so I can leave it at 0. Adjustment B was also 0. At C, -1. At D, -1, and so on. Confirm your settings. Click OK. And the print head alignment is complete as well. As mentioned earlier, these settings are saved for this specific media. I have here IG180, so make sure to run both alignments for each media that you're using on the printer. And you only have to do this once.